This is Matt from Phenix Technology, and I'm going to show you how to install flip downs on our TC-1 helmet. In your installation kit, you will have 2 rubber spacers, 2 hex nuts, 2 brass spacers, 2 screws, and your flip downs. You will also need a drill with a 3/16 dagger drill bit, 1/4 nut driver, and a screwdriver. Before we begin, make sure that your eyes, face, and arms are properly covered as we are dealing with fiberglass. First, find the precise location where we will be drilling the helmet. Look for the leaf on the filigree and make a mark on the very tip of the leaf, then locate the leaf on the other side and do the same. Drill 2 holes on the markings and make sure to clean off the fiberglass dust. Insert the screw upright through the flip downs and place a spacer through the other side. Insert flip downs with screws through the drilled holes on your TC-1 helmet. Tighten screws with screwdriver on both sides until screws are peeking out halfway through the top. Place brass spacers over screws. Using the hex nuts, tighten the screws and secure the flip downs on your TC-1 helmet. Your flip downs are now installed. For more information on our helmets, please visit www.phenixfirehelmets.com.